Have you ever wondered, how can I create AI images in HubSpot? Well, I'm Pedro from RevPartners, and I'm going to teach you that in a couple minutes. Within any landing page or email editor tool in HubSpot, you know that we work with modules, right? So image modules, text modules. So all we need to do is create or generate an image module that's AI generated. In this example, we're using the Southbound event hosted by RevPartners in Atlanta. So this is an email for that event. We could click on this image here and replace it. So clicking on replace and then generate with AI to replace this image with an AI generated one. Or as I'm doing now, let's say I want to create a new one. So all I need to do is add an image module by dragging and dropping to the place where I want to place the image. And in here, the option already shows up, generate with AI. So you click on this button, and in here, like many other image generators that are based on AI, you describe what you want to see in this image. So for example, because this is a business related event, let's say I want a group of people dressed for a business event, having a conversation, sharing knowledge and less. So in this case, I describe what I want. I select a style, and a pro tip here, we have plenty of styles to select from. And a great tip that I can give you is select one style and stick to it in your communications. This way, you can have a presence for your brand that's related to that style. So for example, let's say I want a 3D model style, and the size is the size that best fits the content that you're placing the image in, right? So in this case, a landscape would fit better. Then I click on generate. This will take a few seconds, and the AI is going to generate your image. Once they're generated, the options, you can select if you already like one of these, or you can click on generate to generate more options. And you can do this as many times as you want. So if these don't make it for you, don't make your cut, you can have other options shown. And now let's say this one is the one that I like the most. So I click on insert. The image is going to be placed in the place of the module that I dragged to my page or email. And here we go. You have your image and you have your library of images containing everything that you generated in the past and that you can reuse or use as reference for new ones. Well, that's how you generate AI images in HubSpot. And if you want to keep learning from RevPartners, please click on one of the recommended videos here.